Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we are with the bell we're about to put up in the tower. So basically we've got the rope here, here's the Sally thing right here. We've got all the bell fixed together and we're going to start, in a minute, we're going to lift it up into the belfry. So what we're doing is, okay, what I'm doing is, let's go. We've done all the woodwork. I'm staying the headstock. We've already got the slide right in the belfry. We've already fitted in. What we're doing right now is we're taking the stuff apart. It's a slider. Still, we're gonna take it out. Right. What we're doing now is we're repairing the bells. So we took them out of the tower and then we decided that something was wrong. Now we're going to fix these up. So here's these ones are already fit in the tower. You know the tenor was broken, so there's the tenor bell. Tenor bells came down for this today. This moment to stay. It's really heavy. Can't even lift it. Good. This is the thing. This is the wheel. We let the rope stay across. We let all the stuff stay on, but we took them out of the belfry up there. If I go up there now. Oh, sorry, I took out the 9 and 8 bells. They're not in the tie in them. Completely came out. We lifted it down this big hole here. That's where the ringing chamber is. There's the 9 and 8 in the ringing chamber. That's the mechanism there. Pulley blocks. We're fitting in. So this is the slider bits. We couldn't fit the slider on the bell because it was below the box. Yeah, what we're doing is we've got the bell and then we're going to have a big look at it. It's a bit wet here. Everything's fine. Looks all fine for today. So a moment.
How's the vlog going?
Yeah. I'm in my high vis right now. Taking out all the flooring. Filling up from the belfry up there. You can see the belfry from here since we opened up the stuff. What over there we're fitting in some more fitting in. So today the bell will be here. The clapper's still inside. See the screws.
Need to attach the bell.
Yeah, you wanna get back up in the ringing chamber. I'll meet you up in the belfry.
We also need a.
I'll attach the string.
Right, we need to attach.
The bell's about to come up.
Bell's about to come up into
the belfry.
belfry. We've got a washer.
Yeah. Since the bell is all... I'm up in the belfry. It's the spiral staircase.
You have to double nut it, so it's...
Yeah, we're just fitting in the new nuts. Don't know why it's called nuts.
Not the nuts you're thinking of, guys. Nuts and bolts, not nut sacks.
Okay. Oh my god, what are you talking about? Right. Since now we've just connected the bell. I'm up in the belfry.
So now guys,
This is us ringing it up.
so what we need now guys is
The fitting.
we need to attach a new rope to this mechanism.
Yeah, it looks like the rope's too high.
A bit too short, isn't it? So we need...
So, should we take off the rope?
yeah, let's take off the rope, guys.
Right, I'm going to stand up in the belfry. There's 9 and 8 in the mechanism.
So guys, we've got
There's
to
our
take this
service
rope
bell
off,
there.
you see, 'cause,
There's the service bell there. And he's doing something. Yeah, so untie those knots again. Yep. Right.
So guys, the sun is starting to come out. Which is
Yeah.
good news.
We see it out the window.
Which is good news because
It's fine.
how long has this got to be?
Are you... My God. What happened there?
Sorry guys, I nearly had a catastrophe there.
It needs to be a bit shorter.
Got the rope?
Yes.
Does it?
Look, let me... I think this Sally should be up here somewhere.
Right.
The
Yeah,
free-
no, remember this is going to go a lot higher.
Okay. You make sure the Sallies are low so I can...
Get this at a workable height.
I'm
Right,
gonna-
remember how this bell wraps around.
Well, you did. You got all the screws in, don't you? You just wrap them round.
We got
Got all the fitting. Bells looks completely fine.
right, just need to tie that in there.
Yes.
Right, need to tie them right.
Oh man,
It's long enough, this rope.
excuse me.
What?
This,
we need to decorate that bit.
we might
Is
make.
this long enough or not?
If we make it longer, you're gonna fit on top of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just really high.
Okay, that means the rope has to be really long.
So we need to make it longer, yeah?
Yeah. So
So what about...
basically, if
what
we
about if I cut this and I can join another bit onto it? Will that work?
well, it might come off, don't it? Wait. Maybe we should fit a new rope in.
Where is that guy?
Okay, you want to go down the spiral staircase down in the... I think they're down...
Oh, they're
No.
downstairs, are they? Well, I'll see what I can do. Yeah, we can do it longer and then we can cut it down to size to fit. Right, sorry guys, I'm just going to have to
Go
go a
d-
long way round because we came through the back gate.
Yeah, we went down the spiral staircase. We had to go down the gate. Normally go down the door. It's the rope. This Sally's going to be really, like, long. It's really good. We need to fit in the pulley block and everything. Yeah. Clappers in there. This is the wooden thing that fits the bell. It's going to go up there. What I'm saying is, got the... Let me go inside the clock. We've got Sally, and what we're gonna... Come on, open. This thing really hard to open. Guys, I'm just gonna put you down for a sec. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go.
Sorry about that,
Go carry these with me.
guys.
Oh, you're back.
Let's do a little routine visit to the downstairs.
I've got the Sallies.
Right, you've got the new Sallies.
Yeah, the Sallies were fitting inside behind the clock. We've got that mini bell there. Use it for use it to show people how they work. They don't get pulled.
So guys, we're going to
Yeah.
get some new rope.
Do you want to take the Sally off?
Yeah, we'll take that off in a minute. Let's just get this through here.
Want to screw it in?
So guys, bell making is a very old-fashioned art.
Yeah, we don't have to pay for this because I own this tower.
Yeah, we own this tower. We're the
Vicars
of Wickford, so
Well,
we own this place.
Right, do you want to make sure it's really, really long?
Yeah, so we'll make sure this rope is really long so there's no mistakes.
I don't know how you're going to fit the bell up there because look,
What?
it's like a lot of things up in the ray, guys, and since I'm standing, it's got in the bell. It's really hard effort to do. Yeah.
From thousands of years ago
Yeah.
by the Vickers.
I think we built the churches in like 1000, year 1000 or something. Like that. There's a green chamber. These ones ain't getting pulled. There's a surface spell up there. I don't know where the rope that is from. It's gone. We're gonna fit a new one in there.
Right,
We might fit that one in to that one. Yeah. What I'm doing is repairing thing is really long, takes ages, in like 30 minutes and 15 seconds. And since we've been doing, it's like 10:18 AM where we are. I think I started at 10:05. Yeah. Right, do you want to
So guys,
yeah, I'll see how long it needs to be. The bell's there. It's down. Since I'm standing up with the last step. Well, there is stairs to the roof, but we don't go up there that often. Go up there in summer. No, it's spring, but we wait until like summer.
so guys, today we're connecting.
Right, that's where the old bell got fitted. Let me.
I've worked in the church for many years now.
I've been here for like sort of nearly 10 years.
Really 10 years. Which is how we became like a bell expert.
Yeah, I've been learning to ring.
So guys,
It's been like 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yes. Sorry, I can see like things flying around.
You've been ringing for 15 minutes.
Well, fixing for 15 minutes.
Hey guys,
I'm gonna untangle the ropes. I'm fitting in that one. That was gonna go around. We want to fit in the pulley blocks too. What do you think we're gonna fit in the pulley blocks?
Pulley blocks?
Yeah, the thing, you know. That's where the
Right.
old bell was.
So let's get the height for the...
And I'll tell you.
How high do we need this?
I don't think that will stick there. He's doing.
How high do we need it? We've got a stupid bush in the way of it. We might have to chop that back a bit. How high do we need it, sir?
I'm not really sure.
About that high or?
Well, let's try it out screwed in the floor there first, and then
In the floor?
I'll see if I need it higher.
You only want it that low? You want it that low?
Hang on.
Remember, you've got a nice long rope. We can do it whatever size you want. Sorry, this rope's attacking me at the minute.
Sorry, this rope's really. Well, we could try this out first.
What, this high?
Yeah.
You sure?
We can unscrew it because you know,
Oh yeah.
and we can make the rope
Can you
longer.
adjust it if you ever need to?
Still have more like.
What the hell is that hanging out of there?
What is going on?
Look. All these little A's in there. Alright, it just needs to
What's this?
these silly things out of the way.
Got all these nuts out.
Get all these nuts hose out. Not nuts that you guys are thinking, nuts.
Yeah. Our
What?
tools.
Nuts and bolts, you know?
Yeah, we don't need those guys.
Don't need these guys hanging out of there.
So we're taking out this whole wooden thing.
Right, so we've got them guys out of there.
We're gonna like.
So we have to attach this to that. Like this.
Well, yeah.
Is that high enough or a little bit higher?
Well, let's try it at this angle and then. Right, you need to fit in the pulley block and slider and. Since we've got all those rings and wheels and everything. Guys, this is really hard work. I've never done this before. That's the bell up there. We've had to close up the roof when it's up there. But that's not on the floor.
Yes, right. I was doing it a little bit higher, just to
Do
get that sort of.
you want to fit in the pulley block soon?
Yeah.
It's really.
Oh, there's the chime, guys.
Long time. It is 10:24, I guess.
Right, we've got the level. We've got the spirit level. We can just check the height.
Is that screwed in?
Not yet.
The rope looks like it's working.
Don't move it.
It's alright, I'm only. The rope is starting to.
So there's a little Turkish bell in there.
Is all the screws screwed in?
Not yet, guys. One
In
more screw, just
We need
just
to.
for added measure.
You're gonna fit in the stand slider and stuff. We need that pulley block too.
Yeah.
That's the bell working up there. wobbling. I'm not going to pull it too much because it's
We
not.
won't put it too much, guys, because
It can only go halfway up and then it starts wobbling. It starts bobbing. When I fit in other
Right,
bells,
how's this attached?
when I fit in the other bells, it really is like
Need to whack a.
hard thing. Since I ring my friend Samuel.
Have you heard from Samuel lately?
Where?
Or has he gone on holiday?
He's at Wales
Is he in Wales, is he?
on the school trip.
Alright.
Right.
Right,
want-
guys, so.
Do you want to
We better get a.
do this?
Sally fitted, I think.
Right. Do you want to fit in the pulley block?
Right, where's the pulley block going?
Might have to go beside that wheel where, you know, where it turns.
Oh, look at this.
Does that fit in straight? Because that might fall over soon. If it's wobbling.
I've just got to put another wazzer in there, I think. Yeah, that's fine, I can do that.
Do one right at the top. As
Yeah, right, okay, so. Slider height I need to check. You might have to chop some bushes back here, which is fine. We can sort that out.
Well, it's going to keep growing, you know.
Right, so that needs to be. This needs to go higher, doesn't it?
Yes. If
Right.
I bring it up.
Hang on, let me just put some of them. Hey, sorry guys, we just need to do a bit of gardening just to.
Well, this isn't in the garden, you know where.
Sorry, we need to just do a bit of. Hang on, guys. Right, mind your heads, guys.
Right, I'm going to go over this. But
Have we got our hard hats on?
yeah, I've got my ear defenders on. I've got my high vis on too. It's that time. Oh man, yes, the time has stopped. You stopped the clock, you know. Oh, what was that? Yeah. It's the rope. I need to do something. This is where we're gonna cut things off. Soon I'm gonna video in the belfry.
So
You
guys,
can't,
just do a bit of power
see me.
maintenance.
Yeah, this takes a lot of time. This is my longest video. It's my longest video.
Takes a little bit of time, guys, I'm afraid.
It's been like 23 minutes.
Put it here, innit?
Yeah, so
Right.
Ooh.
Right, so we need to make this stay a little.
yeah, we need the pulley block, remember? Where are we gonna fit that? Gonna get some of this. Okay, I'm gonna put you down here. If you can see me. Nope, you can't.
Right, hang on, so that needs to be
This
there, does it? Yeah, so that whacks it.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, just fix this. There, right there.
Yeah, guys.
Sorry, I'm going
Sorry,
to
that is.
carry you. Because it's really.
Slightly warm now, guys, because spring is approaching. So, right, we
Okay.
just need a thingy now. That thing down there. Thanks, guys. The sun is now
I can see it out the window,
shine.
coming out the windows of the ringing room. Right, guys, we're about to. Right, I'm just going to move your tools. Right.
Right, okay guys,
So up there. Can you all see the bell? I'm going to move you a little bit.
right, so what we need, right, just, do you want to just check that, sir, with the slider, see if it's, yeah, I need to put them little screws in, don't I? Yeah, so that needs to put those little screws in there.
Really annoying.
Right, hang on, sir. How far's the slider got to go? That far over? Do a little test. Pull it up. Right. There?
There, yeah.
Right, don't move it for a minute.
Are we going to fit in a pulley block?
Yeah.
I'm going to go and get some designers.
And what that is like? Oh.
Right.
Oh.
Is that hitting it?
Can you just pull the bell up for me, sir? I'll get there. Right.
It's still hitting some.
Branches, yeah, I'll sort that out.
Right. Now I need to fix the rope.
Right, so we need to do this poly block thing, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, it's going to be that where I showed you this morning.
Right, yeah. Right, let me just cut a bit of wood then. Right, how long does it need to be?
Really has to be a little. Right, I untied the so I can put it through my green.
Right, hang on. Hang on. What we say 60. Hang on. Don't get carried away, sir.
Down there.
What?
Look at it over there.
Right, it's a bit loud. You ready?
Right. Why does it sound like a bell?
Right, we got any more of them?
Why you got that bit?
We've got to build a thingy thing.
To hold the pulley block?
Yeah.
Well, make sure it goes up in the right.
The right position.
It will be higher than a slider, but I'm not sure how to fit. No, that's not going to be there. It needs to be right up in the.
So it all works out. So.
Well, it needs to do it up in the belfry, doesn't it? Where the wheel
What
goes.
should we learn?
You always get it.
A few more screws. Have we got any big bits anywhere? Have we got any big ends? Oh, for God's sake. Right, if this thing swings open one more time, I'm going to go for it.
Is it shut? Let me shut it. Oh, it is shut.
Ah! Ouch. Bigger.
Find out the one that hit you.
I'm sinking into the ground.
There you are.
There's another. There's a bigger screw now. Oh, look.
Because you're really heavy.
Jesus. Right, have we got any big screws? Or is that all of them? All around the van.
Go down through the gate
I've got flipping keys again now.
and the
The
stairs.
trouble, back and forward, back and forward. Not a yo-yo. Hang on,
No.
put one in. The garden's getting a bit ruined up here, isn't it?
What?
The garden's getting a little bit ruined up
Yes.
there.
Or the flooring.
Oh,
Yes.
no.
Yeah.
You knocked me out, Stay still a minute. Oh!
Right.
I just need to do a bit of a better screw, really. Is there no other big ones?
Yeah, I need the pulley block because then the rope will stay straight with it.
Yeah. I just need to secure that to the wall because it's wobbly at the minute. Yeah?
Right, I'm gonna go and get Sally.
Can I get who?
Sally.
Sally?
Yeah, I've got one.
Who is Sally?
Right.
Right, so we need to do this one last bit now for the pulley rope.
Then we can put in the Sally.
Right, hang on. How big does it need to be? A little bit. Is that enough? How far out has that thing got to be? That rope?
Well, this is how straight it goes.
What, it needs to be straight, does it?
Yeah, or is it wouldn't like do like this? Right, it looks fine. I keep hearing a bell ringing.
What's that? I need to drill a hole through it for the rope to go through.
You need those mini rings, don't
Yeah.
you?
We brought one, didn't I? Look. Oh yeah, that's what we're doing, aren't we? Sorry, yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Right, hang on. I need screws again. We've got none. Absolutely none.
Well, so you got them at the.
I've got them in my van, but
Yeah.
I thought of having to.
No, 2 of them.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we have extra ones.
Right, hang on. So we've got to attach these rings to the rope to go through.
I've got some.
You got some, have you?
Yeah, I've got.
How many have you got?
Got 2. Need to get 2.
Right, where are they then? So where does it need? Right, let me get this.
Go between.
Oh, this garden.
It would
This
look
garden's
like.
getting absolutely
It looks like this. Hang on. Probably look like that. You look like this, Dan.
Another screw, really.
You look like this.
Right, yeah, that's right. I'll get it then. Right, so we need one here, yeah? One on the side here,
On the other
so
side.
it can go through there, yeah? Like that.
Yeah, but the ring needs to touch. The ring bit touches the rope. Oh yeah, I know what you're doing.
Yeah? See what I mean?
The rope thread through that.
That's right, exactly that.
Oh.
And then it don't rub on anything then.
That's what we have written.
How can I get that in
I
there?
don't need this one. Let's.
How can I wind this in here? Right. What got a...
Let me I'm gonna do all the. I'll give you all the stuff.
Thanks, guy. I need one more screw if you've got one in there.
Let's see what you're doing.
Right, I need one more screw now if you've got one.
Is that straight?
We'll be in a minute. Hang on. Party and everybody. Right, anyway, that's it. That's it. 40 feet up the way through. Oh, hang on.
Make sure it's not 10. I'm not sure. Why is that still going over?
Oh, we have to sort of slide, right? It's going a bit too far, isn't it? Right, I can sort that out in a minute. Right, let me just straighten this thing up. Right, don't move it a minute.
Look, can you see it's all straight?
Right, that's not going to twist anymore. That's in there. Right.
Yeah, so that one's twisting.
Is that right? What do I need to? So I need to sort this slider a little bit better. Yeah? Make it a bit higher. Hopefully. Right? Right, so that needs to be.
And I got a bit stuck over.
Okay.
Stuck in that bit now.
What bit?
Stuck on that side.
Stuck on it?
The other side.
Oh, it's supposed to be like that, is it?
Right, now we got to put in the sallies and cut the rope.
Right, how long do you need it?
Maybe.
Oh, that's some shape.
Right, can you pull this out?
Hang on. Can I pull it out?
This.
Right, what am I doing, sorry? Pulling that tally off.
And making it, this is stuck because you bit, like when we first placed this.
So
That.
what end is it on, this end? Oh, and they're all going in that water, darling.
Oh no. It's alright.
Why is this? Oh. When did we go in from? This
What?
end. Eh?
Now these are all going to fit together. But do you still need
Yeah, I need to drill a hole in. It's sunny now, Mr. Bellringer.
You know what my name is?
Sorry, what's your name? Peter?
No, Owen.
Oh yeah, Owen. Right, how did I do this last time? Well, you got to have a Sally, eh?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Face him.
Okay.
This is what?
So
Sort that out, don't we? That's lava. I'll sort that out in a minute. Right, let's reveal this.
right. It's only been an hour since we've
You've been building for an hour?
been doing. No, nearly.
You think?
your the last one.
Aha. That's it.
Right, now you gotta do the last one.
Right.
Can you fix the slider?
Yeah. Oh, is it still going wrong?
Yeah, can you just try to bring it down here?
Remember, if it ever does that, don't pull it too hard because you'll break it. Right, you hold them a minute. Right, what's it doing? It just needs to go further back, does it?
Try.
Hang on. Right, it's a tiny bit higher. Is that it?
Well, it's touching it. It's really hard.
How's that? Try that. Right, this is it. Yeah, that'll go in there.
Right,
That
ready to fit the
it?
telly.
Sorry now, yeah. Right, how long do you need this rope, do you think?
Right, let me start throwing it through the.
Right, well, it's definitely going to be shorter than this, isn't it, where my hand is? Is
Yeah.
it? Is that the rope, is that the towel end?
I'll tell you where to cut. I'm gonna start threading. Boy! Trying to.
The wrong bit. Oh boy.
Might have to go just a teeny bit shorter.
Right, hang on. So I need to do a knot first, don't I?
Yeah, I'm just.
At the top here. Right, where's it going to be? Oh, in here? Is that as high as they'll go? Sort of about there, do you think?
I think the top one.
Top of...
Hang on. If it was there, would it?
Alright there? So what, here? What, right, here?
Yeah.
Right there, yeah? How's that, sir?
Right.
That's a knot at the top, so I'll get in front, so. I'll tell you what, we got...
Make sure it all goes through.
There, is that right? Yeah. Right, one more, just there you go.
Right.
Right, that's it. Right, give me that one with the orange bit at the top. I'll look at the orange bit at the top.
Do the white bit at the top.
Well, no, I just need, because that's what's going to stop this. Gosh, it's warm now, isn't it?
Yeah. Outside. Not in here. Oh, I know.
What?
That's going to be the top one.
Yeah.
And I'll see if it needs to be a bit shorter.
Right.
Just in case if the rope is too long.
Oh, I see, yeah. Can't get through. All of them. Right, I'm missing still. Hang on. Oh no, there's three. Sit. Right. That one's going to sit. Yeah? That can't go any further. Right, let's thread the other ones on.
Well, that's coming out.
Oh, wait a minute. Patience, my friend. Patience, my friend.
Right, it's really hard work.
Oh, did you stop doing documentary?
What do you mean?
Video?
No, it's still on. Let me see. Yep, still filming.
Oh, it's boiling.
You go.
Right, so I need to stop them.
Stick them all
down there.
How do we stick them all together?
Well, no, once I tie it at the bottom, it just holds them all together. Oh, that's this.
Yeah, I see now.
Who's the best dad? Right, so we need something there to stop that. Like a screw or something? Oh, no, what can stop that popping back through there? Need to tie that on there like
You try and make another knot.
a washer. Yeah, it's quite a big hole. Right, you arm that a minute. Stop them all falling off. Right, let me see if I've got something. Ah.
Big pen and then. Right. Coming out. Right. Can you make this straight?
What sort of tie one or not? Right.
Well, can you see how long the.
Need a towel in tied on here or not?
Hang on.
I can tie a little towel in if you need it.
Can you put these all together?
Got a little like loop on the end of it, like a towel end.
Yeah. That's how it looks.
Actually got a real working belt.
flame on it.
No, I can't. Hang on, let me just get a breath before the first ring.
Right, this gets out. Might be ready now. Since it's down, I need to bring it up. Ready?
This sounds rubbish.
Stop. Good. There we go. Fixed. Right, I hope you enjoyed our video today. I know it was really long, but I hope you really enjoyed it. So, thanks for watching and bye.